Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems out of this book here, the GMAT review, the official guide. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You should be able to find it at mba.com. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 181, problem solving number 210. Let's take a look at it together. Open the page, or open the book, turn to page number 181 and read the problem with me. Because it's a long problem, you're going to have to read it with me. It says a television manufacturer produces 600 units of a certain model each month at a cost to manufacturers of $90 per unit. Alright. So we are making we are making 600 units, and the cost, we are told, cost per unit we are told is $90. Let's read the rest. And all of the units produced are sold each month. Everything is sold. What is the minimum price? What is the minimum selling price per unit that will ensure that the monthly profit, and they're actually nice enough to actually give us a definition of profit, which is revenue from the sales minus the manufacturer's cost to produce. Alright. In other words, they're telling you that there are no fixed costs here. Whatever it costs you to produce, and that's how they're defining profit. Anyway, that doesn't matter. So the profit here, let me read again one more time, I'm digressing here. So whatever it costs you to produce the unit, that is your total cost. That's it. There are no fixed costs. Strange word. But anyway, what is the minimum selling price per unit that will ensure that the monthly profit on this, which is why they have to define what they mean by profit. Otherwise people might say, well, how do I know what you define as profit? Either that, or they will have to give some kind of fixed cost as well. There is no fixed cost here. What is the minimum selling price per unit that will ensure that the monthly profit on the sales of this unit will be at least $42,000? All right. So since you want a profit of $42,000 total, and since we are selling 600 units, the very first thing I'm going to do is figure out the amount of profit we need per unit. Once we have the amount of profit that we need per unit, I'm just going to add 90 to it, and that'll be our selling price. That's all it is. So this goes into this, that goes into that, 6 goes into 42, well, let's see, 36,770. All right. So we need a profit. I don't know if you can read this, black marker is dying. We need a profit of $70 per unit. This color is even worse than before. So if you need a profit of $70 per unit, and the cost to make the unit is $90, well, then you better sell the bloody thing at $160 at least. Let's see how they phrase the question. What is the minimum? There you go, at least, like I said. You have to sell it for at least $160, hence the use of the word minimum. What is the minimum selling price per unit that will ensure that the monthly profit on the sales of these units will be at least $42,000? The answer is 160, that's it. Because you need a profit of $70 per unit. And how did I find it? Find out $70 per unit of profit? Because they want to make a profit of $42,000 on the sale of 600 units. If you were to divide $42,000 with 600, like I just did, the two zeros cancel out, and 42 goes into 7 times, so it's 7 and then this zero, $70 per unit. And it costs you $90 to make it. So you better sell the bloody thing, as I said, for $160 at least. The answer is D. That's the minimum. That is the minimum price. D is the answer. That's all. I hope you found this helpful. If you wish to get hold of me for personal private tutoring, I do personal private tutoring. I'm located in the state of Connecticut. Or if you wish to get hold of my DVDs, where I show you the solutions to all the problems. I'm also putting together the solution manuals to all the problems, so hopefully that will come out soon. If you need to get hold of me, go to my website at www.prep4gmat.com, prep4gmat.com, alright? And send me an email. Thank you.